keep getting that from?
They would ask her where she get all the muscle. They curious. I bet she can crack an egg.
The time has come to an end. Miami, you've been great.
Miami on.
Gee. Had a little sofa bed right there. 2 beds. Bed over here. You got some Miami decorations over there. You got Ryan right here talking about party in the elevator. Oh, and then you got Mr. Miami himself.
That's Miami. Junior.
I'm sorry, Mr. Miami.
Miami.
Got everything packed and loaded. Then we got a little kitchenette area. Look at the little dishwasher, y'all. Look at the dish. Oh, it's washing. 23 minutes. Let me show y'all the inside.
You got Miss Miami with the Brahmin.
Really? I don't do all of that. I definitely don't walk like that. I don't walk like that. What is you doing? What is you doing? What is you?
Now these come up missing. I don't want to hit that. I gave them to you.
Car.
Not yet.
Oh.
I want to pack up first. That way when. I mean, it's right there. We don't have to request it, but I just like that experience.
I went down there to get the mask. He talking about, oh yeah, you the cool family. The cool family.
He said, hey, I can sit that way.
Huh?
I can sit that way.
For real? What bag? Garbage.
Check this out. And what you do. Let me show y'all what y'all do, boys. Come on, let me show y'all something. This how y'all, look, you go here. I'm finna show y'all how y'all get the vehicle ready, alright? You click this right here. Right?
Got it.
And then you hit that there, alright?
Got it.
You see how I say request car?
Garbage.
Push that. Push that button. They gonna go get our car.
Garbage, right?
Hit the check.
It ain't letting the check. What's going on?
Alright.
Nah, it ain't the bottom.
Read the inscription inside.
Now watch, we finna get a text message saying the vehicle is ready.
A cargo cup.
Your vehicle is ready. Let's roll.
Well, it's been nice. It is now time to go. Those are shoes, putting those back on.
What's going on, man? Nothing much, bro. How's it going? Pretty good, pretty good.
It's in.
Captain Chris, everybody say hello to Captain Chris.
Hello, Captain Chris.
There we go. Aloha back here. The North Shore. And before we head out there, guys, we got just a couple of rules real quick. Very important on this boat, guys, is we got some seatbelts. Make sure those are nice and tight around your lap, guys. Obviously, that means no standing. We don't want you guys getting hurt. We don't want you guys flying off the boat or anything like that. Your seats, guys, we got some life jackets, so don't worry about them, guys. Don't touch them, don't put them on. You're not going to need them. Just know that they are there in the event.
All right, y'all. Mike Tyson stayed in here.
No, it went because it was on the other side. This look like the same room we had.
My booty.
Society. Some penthouse.
If you got a penthouse, we got a pool booth. Look,
You got a what?
a view.
This the one that he said.
Alright, go piss it. Just go in there and use it. Come on, piss it. Just use it.
This what I'm talking about. What? You use it too. You did all that to teach me a remote, bro.
You got that view, baby.
Bobby, look at the beach.
I see the beach.
I see people there.
See people on there? Yeah, it's cool, huh?
The water cold.
Oh, it's a big ship too. In the water.
Oh, that's a bar ship.
No.
Here's the other boy. Whoa. Oh,